In just 5 minutes, you can see how AI apps can securely query live, curated data across clouds, regions, and partners. This will include querying of multimodal data that spans operational data, files, and analytical data sets. Now let's take a look at how this works with Vendia. In this case, we have mapped a corporate travel data model based on a Salesforce hierarchy composed of account, lead, contact, and opportunities. Vendia provides a low-code UI for mapping and managing your data model. Vendia also supports file sharing, which allows customers to share contracts and other important documents with its partners. Now let's take a look at Vendia's analytical sharing capabilities. We have 4 analytical tables that have been created in Vendia. These data sets are stored on Vendia's Iceblock, which is based on Apache Iceberg, along with proprietary ledgering capabilities. With Vendia, you could also control data synchronization and filter data sets to ensure compliance. Each Vendia instance also contains a scalable MCP server, where the URL for that server can be found within Vendia resources. Next, we will head to our Claude instance and configure a new integration for Vendia MCP server. You will see as that we enable the integration, we are now being prompted to authorize Claude to interact with our Vendia environment. You will also notice that when we start to interact with the various tools, Claude will ask for additional authorization. This is a standard opt-in for any server integrated with Claude. Now let's take a look at a real-world use case. Imagine an AI assistant helping a travel company. The assistant uses GraphQL types to determine the APIs that are available to it. Next, we will query GraphQL for top opportunities. The assistant will start by ordering opportunities by the contract value amount. We can see that Bond Clark is our top opportunity. Next, we will ask the agent who works for Bond Clark. In this instance, the agent is querying the live account and contact tables. It finds that Sherry Johnson works for Bond Clark and also provides her contact's information for next steps. While these are very important insights, the Vendia MCP integration also allows us to write new data via AI. Next, we will ask Claude to create a new lead, which will issue a write mutation to Vendia. We can now see that the new lead, Tim Wagner, is now available in Vendia for access. Next, we will ask Claude to get a list of files that it is able to access. In this case, we can actually see that 3 files have been returned. Claude is now able to read and return the terms of our reward matching agreement. Now on to analytical data. Claude, query Iceberg to analyze our call logs. Claude finds the combined call logs and is able to provide a comprehensive call center analysis. This includes detecting issues and making improvement recommendations. Finally, we mentioned that Vendia provides an audit trail of activity. Claude, analyze our GraphQL block items. We can see that every read and write request is logged and secured per policy. These insights are also available on the Vendia ledger. All this runs on live data across multiple partners. This architecture eliminates data silos and makes your distributed data AI ready by design.